Today, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Honeywell mobile computer. First, we're going to swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access our app drawer, and then we will swipe down until we find Settings, and then tap on that. Then all the way at the bottom of the Settings menu, if we scroll down, we should see System. We can tap on System, and then we should see Reset Options, which we can tap on there. And then you have a few options here. We have a factory reset. That is the usually recommended method of doing it. It gives you a very clean slate and can fix any configuration errors you have. Enterprise data reset will clear everything except in the IPSM folder of the unit. And then everything else is if you need to reset Wi-Fi or anything radio related, or if you have any app settings that you just can't remember if you changed or not, you can tap on that. Thanks for watching.